So in this video, we will discuss about throw keyword. So throw is a keyword used to explicitly create and pass an exception object at runtime. So basically, throw is a keyword which is used to create, which is used to explicitly create and pass an exception object at runtime. Means so the programmer will create object. So previously whenever we are not using throw keyword, at that time JVM used to create object. So JVM used to create a arithmetic object, input mismatch exception object. So JVM used to create, but now JVM will not create. Throw keyword will create. So when we are writing that throw line, how we are writing throw new, then arithmetic exception, we are using new keyword. So the programmer means we only will create and we will pass to the JVM. So here JVM will not create. So main thing is that JVM here will not create. When we are using throw, JVM will not create. We will create that. Programmer will create the exception object. Okay. Simply and imagine that. Okay. Previously, your mother used to make food for you. Okay. Your mother used to make food for you. But what you will do now? You will make food for your mother and you will pass to your mother. Okay. So that is what the main concept. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, now we will see the program. Okay, now I will write one static method, public static void balance. Then I will take some parameter like okay, this is static method. Okay, what I will write here logic. If amount is greater than balance, if amount is greater than balance, then we will throw one exception, throw new arithmetic exception, and here we will pass a message insufficient. Right. So if your amount, when you when withdraw, what will be there? If your amount is greater than balance, then this message will be printed. Okay, this is normal simple thing, simple logic only. Okay, so you cannot take out more than balance, right? You cannot withdraw more than balance. Okay, so here withdraw. Okay, successful. Okay, if amount is not greater than balance, then this thing will be printed. Okay, so what we will do now, we will create now we will create now I will write main method. Okay, inside that main method I will write try catch. In try catch, inside try, I will call this method. Okay, balance, here two parameters are there. So how much? So we want to take out, we want to withdraw 7,000, but balance is there 6,000. Okay, then no, we will not write any message. Here we will write okay, and b dot get message. So this message will come here. Okay, so that we have to write inside south. Okay, simple program only. Now we will run this program, whether it is correct or wrong, we will say. So insufficient balance. Okay, so if I will put balance, 8,000. So withdraw successful. Now this program is correct. Okay, now we will understand this program. Okay, jvm will call this main method and it will go inside this main method. So here try block is there, so jvm will execute line by line. So here one method calling is there. Okay, and we are calling this static method. So static method, without creating object also we can call this static method. Okay, and it is inside the same class only. For that reason we are not writing that this class name. Okay, class name dot balance we are not writing. Okay, and we are passing some parameter. So this parameter will be stored in this amount and this balance. Okay, so if amount is greater than balance, if 7,000 is greater than 8,000, which is wrong. Okay, then arithmetic exception will be not created, then this withdraw successful message will be printed. Okay, if I will pass 6,000, if your balance is 6,000 but you are taking out 7,000, so that is wrong, right? So if amount is greater than balance, if 7,000 is greater than balance, so you have 6,000 balance, you want to take 7,000, so that is not correct. At that time we will create arithmetic exception object. We programmer will create arithmetic exception. So here new keyword is there, so new keyword used to create object. Okay, so here programmer will create arithmetic exception object and we will pass this arithmetic exception object to the jvm. So for jvm will not create any arithmetic exception object. Okay, so no need to create. So that's the simple thing. Okay, after that we will handle, so after that we will handle this that exception. Okay, so how we will handle, so here catch block is there. So now we are creating, we program only created arithmetic exception object, so that exception object will propagate. Okay, it will see catch block. Okay, it will, if it will match, then it will go inside this catch block, then we will print this message e dot get message. So what will happen, we will create arithmetic exception object. So that object, will match with this. So that address will be stored in this reference variable. Okay, e variable. Okay, then it will go inside this. With this reference variable we will call get message method. So get message method is one built-in method. So whatever you are passing while creating object, for that message we are doing this, we are writing this get message. Okay, so if you don't write see, insufficient balance. Okay, if you pass like 8,000, so arithmetic association object will be not created. Okay, so after throw this statement will be, so it will not travel to this statement. Okay, from here it will be terminated. Okay, from here, so catching will happen. So what more thing is there? Okay, this thing, if I will remove this thing. Okay, if I will remove this thing and if I will write insufficient balance, so this things also work, this thing also will work. Yes, this thing also will work. Okay, we are not passing one message while creating object. Okay, that's it guys, I hope you understood.